Unraveling the Secret to Looking Youthful, an English language guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase, looking youthful. This is a common expression in English, often used to describe someone's appearance. Let's explore what it really means, why it's used, and how you can incorporate it into your daily English conversations. Stay tuned as we uncover the nuances of this fascinating phrase. Looking youthful refers to having an appearance or quality that is commonly associated with young people. It's not just about age, it's about how someone appears to others. This phrase can be used for someone who is actually young or for an older person who maintains characteristics typically linked to youth, such as smooth skin, energetic movements, or a vibrant sense of style. Key characteristics of a youthful look: physical appearance, smooth skin, lack of wrinkles, and a certain freshness or glow. Energy and vitality, an energetic way of moving or an enthusiastic approach to activities. Fashion and style, dressing in a way that is considered trendy or in line with current fashion, often associated with younger generations. This phrase isn't just limited to personal descriptions. It can be used in various contexts. Complimenting someone, "You're looking very youthful today. What's your secret?" This is a positive remark, often used to make someone feel good about their appearance. Advertising and marketing. Our new skincare line will leave you looking youthful and radiant. Here, it is used to promote products that claim to give a younger appearance. Self-reflection. I feel like I'm looking more youthful since I started exercising regularly. People might use it to express changes in their own appearance. While it's generally seen as a compliment, it's important to be culturally sensitive. Some cultures or individuals might not place as much importance on looking young. Moreover, the concept of beauty and youth varies greatly around the world. Always be mindful of the context and the person you're speaking to when using this phrase. And that's a wrap on looking youthful. Remember, it's a phrase that transcends just the physical aspect of youth. It's about the energy and vibrancy that come with it. We hope this video has been enlightening and useful for your English learning journey. Keep practicing, stay curious, and as always, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.